Back with another video. Not too bird toss. Gonna get this morning. It's a bit cloudy, a bit rainy, but still got to happen. Just have a look at the birds this morning. What? Pretty overcast, I'll let you guys see. Pretty overcast. It was raining the whole week. Not actually the whole week, but a couple of days of rain we had. But today is Sunday. We're gonna still have that toss. Got two bird toss. Got birds. Come on. Got birds. Birds are beautiful, but you're not gonna waste much time because it's a bit rainy. Said it's a bit cloudy. You got the birds here. I have the birds here. Ready to go. Yellow. My tiger grizzle, black tiger grizzle. Right. See you guys. We'll get that destination. Water circle all over the place. See you guys when we get there. We reached that destination. Birds are here. We're here at the same toss point. St. Andrew Park Church. Today is Sunday. You're gonna see looks like it's a bit cloudy, overcast. That road, St. John and Foster Hall is a bit sketchy, slidey, slippery. But I made it here in one piece. And we're not going to waste much time today because it's a bit overcast. I don't know if the rain is going to fall. It's something I love to do. I love to fly my birds. I love to take a chance. See what my birds do. My yellow. That's a yellow. That's a tiger grizzle. I'm gonna release the birds. See how they go. The birds are gonna go out. Come on, birds. One bird gone. Two birds gone. Cloudy, as I tell you guys. Not seeing the birds too well. Birds are there. Direction. Starting it, wrong direction. See you guys when I made it back. Let me make it back home. Yeah, we're here again. Made it back. Birds haven't made it back as yet. It was a bit rainy. Sun is out again. I'll let you see when the birds return. One bird made it back. The tiger grizzle is over here. Right here. Top of the roof. Right here. Tiger grizzle's back. The tiger grizzle is back. Pretty wet today. It's a depression. We're having Barbados. Getting a little rain. The loft is a bit wet on that side. back as yet. So get it inside like that. Looking for food. Inside. You see when the other one return. You can see when the other bird return. That's the yellow. The yellow. Birds are doing well. Birds are doing well. I'll let you guys see when that other bird return, but so far got one back. That's pretty good. And it was raining. That bird flew through the rain. 16 mothers. Birds are mating it pretty easy. Probably just one bird. I don't see it back as yet, but I'll let you guys see. If it don't make it back, I'll let you guys know that. The rain is falling again. So it's like a little depression. Rainy, very rainy today, and all yesterday was rain. Bird has not made it back yet. Yellow. Sitting back. Video made it back. Right there. That's Trina. Big bird. That's the father. Father here. Black hawk. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll give you an update on that bird if it made it back. Maybe later down in the week. You'll see. Enjoy your day. Have a great day, you all. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.